Hey guys, welcome back to McArthur Industries. So just here today just to give you some ideas about different things in the marketplace. I know hybrids are a pretty fantastic caravan. A lot of people are going for opportunities for bang for buck, as well as what you can do in them size-wise, single axles, easy manoeuvre. But what we do see, because there's so many on the road these days, is getting some insurance repairs. So unlucky enough for this client, and we feel terrible for the personality that had this, was picked it up from the dealership, drove outside, got on the highway. The next thing you know, somebody's run up the back of the vehicle and stowed in the back of it. So that sort of work is something we do here all day, every day. As you can see, we're in here in our fiberglass and paint shop at the moment. So one of our team members here will be going through pulling us all apart. Some of the parts we've had to get, which we've had to wait for, we've had to come overseas, okay? Also, some of the parts we had to manufacture in our metal shop, and then this is why in our paint shop. So if you need the one-stop shop to do any of your repairs for any of this sort of stuff, with our auto electricians, mechanics, repairers, cabinet makers, everything here on site, we need to help you. So any of your insurance work, just flick an email to the team, jump on allbrandcs.com.au, or give us a call. We're here to help. Have a great day. Speak to you soon.
AllBrand Caravans. AllBrand Caravans.